We are going to the Athabasca Glacier.
Last time we saw you guys, we were at a campground near Mount Robson. We're back to Alberta.
We are driving on the Icefields Parkway. When you leave the town of Jasper, it was burnt.
The town of Jasper had it pretty bad. They had a lot of affected areas. If I'm not wrong, 1/3 of the town was damaged, few stations and many other businesses, so that's pretty sad. They're recovering slowly.
Literally you drive for about 20 minutes, probably driving over 80 kilometers an hour, and there is forest that is burnt. If you recall, we had to make a detour from the Icefields Parkway before because this part of the Icefields Parkway was closed because of fires. But now it's open, we can travel south along Highway 93 and we are on our way to a glacier.
Excited. Just as well we carry our home with us and we have winter clothes in the back. It's been very hot. If we didn't have our house with us, we would have to pack an extra pair of winter clothes with us.
I don't know, do you think the glacier is going to be cold?
Oh, it has to be, right? They keep the temperatures low. Let me introduce ourselves. We are Steve and Az, and we travel full-time in our self-converted camper van, so come on with us. It's pretty impressive, this drive. If you look up there, you can see some snow on the mountains, and it started raining as we approached those snowy mountains. I wonder what's gonna be like up there in the glacier. That will be interesting. The Icefields Parkway, a 232 kilometers route, connecting Jasper and Banff National Parks in Alberta, is famous for its stunning natural beauty. This iconic drive features dramatic mountains, as you can see, turquoise lakes, and impressive glaciers attracting photographers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With numerous viewpoints, waterfalls, and hiking trails, visitors can fully experience the region's diverse environment. The area is also home to a wide variety of wildlife, including elk, bears, and bighorn sheep, which you guys saw in some of our videos. The Icefields Parkway is recognized as one of the most scenic drives in the world, and it offers an unforgettable journey through the Canadian Rockies.
Wow, look at that beautiful glacier. Amazing, incredible. That is so incredible. Look at this vast view. It's like a wasteland down here. There's little trees growing within this valley, and I can imagine at the start of summertime, start of springtime, this river would probably be a lot fuller flow. I'm hoping I can capture it on camera, but it is like an aqua blue, white, bright, almost fluorescent ice. If you look carefully there, there's little waterfalls flowing down, at least on that side, maybe also on that side as well. Driving down to the Toenail Glacier. This mountain is phenomenal.
Watch these things on YouTube, but you never expect to experience this yourself. So this is the mountain we saw from the lookout point.
Could have been one part of it, or maybe the other side of it. Amazing. Kind of feels a bit like Namibia, hey?
It does. I saw some people wearing shorts. I wonder if we are overdressed. Right there is a trail, which is the trail we are going to be taking, that takes us all the way to the glacier. We are excited. Okay, let's get going. So we come across this bridge here over a little creek or a little river. The hike to Athabasca Glacier offers stunning views of the Canadian Rockies, drawing adventurers like us eager to explore its icy expanse. The first recorded ascent to the glacier was made by the renowned mountaineer and explorer William Edward Fitzwilliam Blake in 1860. The weather in this region is highly unpredictable due to its mountainous terrain, where sudden changes can occur rapidly. Factors such as elevation, the proximity to the Columbia Icefield, and varied wind patterns contribute to the swift shifts in conditions. Hikers should be prepared for a range of weather scenarios while enjoying this breathtaking journey.
So there, way down there is Vanilda. There we go. It's been a while since we've done a long hike.
It's been a while.
It's a beautiful view as you're walking up there. Look at that. Exquisite. It makes you feel like you're in a desert.
You guys probably can't tell it's very windy, but just look at that water right there. The wind is creating waves on it, little ripples. It's very windy here. We made it to the top. Yeah, but we're not quite there yet.
Oh wow, and now you gotta go down.
My eyes are tearing up.
I couldn't do it all without you. I sing my
Icefields produce their own weather. Most of the time you can notice a cool breeze here coming from the glacier. Air passing over the icefield is cooled by the ice. Cold air is denser and heavier than warm air. So it slides downhill, creating what is called a katabatic wind. Katabatic winds are strongest in the fall. That's when the temperature difference between the ice field and the lower valleys is the greatest.
The Athabasca Glacier, located in the Canadian Rockies, was first documented in 1844 by explorer John Franklin. This striking glacier is part of the Columbia Icefield and is among one of the most accessible in North America, drawing numerous visitors each year. Due to the glacier's unpredictable surface, including crevices and shifting ice, only guided tours are allowed on the ice. These tours prioritize safety and provide an educational experience about the glacier's environment.
We are suddenly surprised by this fence here that doesn't allow people to cross over. But if you look way down there, there are people walking on the ice. So the thing is, they only allow guided tours to go through.
Yeah, I think this might be a new thing where they limit people going through.
So close and yet so far away. We made it all the way here. Now the problem is going down.
But wow, look at that beautiful view.
Yeah. Oh man, and the wind in our ears hurt. So we're gonna get down and pack away the cameras maybe, so we don't drop them.
At the glacier's base lies a terminal moraine. This area supports a unique ecosystem featuring various flora such as hardy alpine plants that thrive in rocky soils, as well as wildlife like mountain goats and marmots that inhabit the surrounding terrain.
Well, this field at the bottom is arguably more beautiful than the glacier itself, because the water obviously comes down to the field and there's these beautiful kind of dandelion type things, wildflowers, bright pink purple flowers.
I agree that this is very beautiful. I really love it.
It's kind of a deserty feel with the mountains
definitely
cropping up on all sides.
And look at these little circles with flowers. I wonder if it's where it puddles up, you know, the water puddles up.
Yeah.
Creates these little circles. Isn't this interesting?
It's like a field of dandelions.
But these ones are like browner, like almost creamy.
Wow.
And curly. And very strong because the wind passes through them and they stand still.
Yeah.
They don't stand still, but they don't blow everywhere.
The dynamic landscape surrounding the glacier also includes vibrant wildflowers that bloom in the summer, offering a stark contrast to the icy backdrop. Visitors to the Athabasca Glacier do not only witness its breathtaking beauty, but also engage with a rich tapestry of life that flourishes in this rugged environment. The combination of stunning views and diverse ecosystems make it a remarkable destination for nature lovers.
And you know what? Now that we are down here, it's definitely a lot warmer than up there. And it's not very far away. Like if you look, the ice is right there. You can see it, right? But here just feel like a cooler desert, but not as cold. the most beautiful visit to the Athabasca Glacier. And now we are driving down on a road that smells of pine tree.
Yeah, it's
So beautiful.
this Icefield Parkway is a stunning drive, and for some reason in this area, I don't know if it's the type of pine tree or type of conifer, there's been a rich smell of pine.
And oh my goodness,
Wow.
these mountains are beautiful. This
Wow.
is recording.
Yeah,
These mountains are
Wow.
unbelievable.
exquisite.
It's hard to believe. You were looking at it, but you don't believe your own eyes. It's really beautiful.
These mountains are massive. And they like solid rock, it seems,
Yeah.
which is, I guess, why they name it the Rockies.
Let's be honest. The Icefields Parkway is a really beautiful road to drive.
If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you guys know when we put up new videos. We are also on Instagram. Thanks for watching, keep well, God bless, and bye-bye!